अगेन खेलने का प्रयास लेकिन अंपायर का वाइड का इशारा.
And as soon as they say slow and steady wins the race, the total run is 56 runs with the loss of 7 wickets and the last over going on. We have Sanu taking the last over.
अगला गेंद खेलने का प्रयास लेकिन ये स्ट्रेट ड्राइव.
That's a beautiful
है
place and
दूसरा
a
रन लेने का
beautiful,
प्रयास और
and that's
ये
the same thing what
एक
happened
और
in the
सुसाइड.
last over.
एक और सुसाइड.
That's right, my brother. Another suicide for Team Merchandome with a loss of 8 wickets. Cut. Dibs. Reminding everybody the score is 57 runs for Merchandome with a loss of 8 wickets and the last over going on. Merchandome is lost with 8 wickets, done down by 8 wickets, and run is 57. Last over going on, and we got a handsome 2 batsmen coming out there. Okay, we got one runner up. One is the runner man. He says wait. Captain is giving the sign to Sanu to wait. Do not bowl right now. But Lonavala Panchgiri looks too confident to make. कहते हैं कि कोई भी टीम हारे चलेगा लेकिन मर्चेंडहोम नहीं जीतना चाहिए.
अगला गेंद सीधा कीपर के हाथ में. I guess this is the last over. Captain needs to hit. Last 2 balls.
बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रदर्शन करते हुए सानू बॉलिंग डाल रहे हैं.
और ये अंपायर का वाइड का इशारा.
White का इशारा. What a beautiful white. I hope Lonavala Panchgiri gives us some more white so that Merchandhome can win.
और ये अगला गेंद
That goes to the boundary
कीपर के
line.
ऊपर की तरफ से बाउंड्री लाइन की
That's a
तरफ
boundary
लुढ़कते
for
हुए.
Merchandhome.
That's a lovely boundary.
And that's the captain who scored the beautiful boundary in house. Huh? Reminding everybody the score right now is 61 run with the loss of 8 wickets and 7 overs down. We have the last over going on with Sanu, the bowler from Panchgini Lonavala. And opposite we have the captain.
आखिरी गेंद ऑफ साइड में खेलने का प्रयास. 1 रन लेने से ज्यादा कोई रन नहीं मिल
And
सकता.
that's over. Half time. All right, we have the
समाप्ति.
total score is 62 runs by 63 to win. We have 8 wickets down with 8 overs.
Sit. There's a mistake.
Let's go, DJ. Never mind. Mistake always
64
happens.
runs.
64 runs. Scoreboard is showing 61 over here. Huh?
64 runs.
Okay, it's 64 runs to win. One more run. 8 wickets down of Merchandhome with the loss of all 8 wickets. Really bad, but they are still not broken down their confidence. Reminding Hamza, you have only 1 minute break for your team. Hamza. I think so they cannot hear me till there. Let's go, DJ. Can we have some music meanwhile? They have 1 minute water break.
Masood, umpires, please. Umpires, tossing, please.
Check.
Check.
He will call the toss. Masood will make a call. I'll toss it. Head tails you have seen, no? Farooq has won for Aikala Mix, the toss.
Bowling.
He has selected bowling. Why bowling?
Pitch is good to ball, and we look to take good wickets.
You are underestimating them?
No, not at all.
Masood, who's your star player for batting?
Tawfiq and Manoj from Dubai, and also more
Where you have seen him, Manoj?
from last.
Okay. From yesterday. I hope. Thank you. All the best. The playing teams, Baikala, number 23, Farooq, Rashid, number 3, Asif, number 16, Salman, number 4, Aman, 14, Badru, 17, Javed, 19, Unais, 9, Ashraf, 7, Firoz, 2, Halim, number 15. Merchant Home, take the field. We are running out of time. The Talojat playing team, Masood number 5, Tawfiq number 1, Ikrar 9, Deepak 4, Tasim number 3, Iqbal Pakoko number 14. Pakoko is in Bama. Manoj 17, Halim number 10, Pinto number 8, Salim Khan number 13, Rabbani number 2. Batsmen be ready.
All right, Merchant Home all set to field. Hamza is giving all the places for Merchant Home. We have Merchant Home taking the field, and we got LPG Lonavala Panchgini all set to bat. This is your compare. Look out there.
Let's continue. गेंद बैट्समैन की तरफ, फुल टॉस गेंद, खेलने का प्रयास, 1 रन। और ये अगला गेंद बैट्समैन की तरफ, खेलने का प्रयास लेग साइड पर, और ये 1 रन जोड़ते हुए बाउंड्री लाइन की तरफ, और ये दूसरा रन लेने का प्रयास, लेकिन कोई कॉल नहीं। 1 ही रन अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए, बहुत ही सुंदर फील्डिंग जो प्लेयर तैनात है बाउंड्री लाइन की तरफ। और ये अगला गेंद, खेलने का प्रयास लेग साइड की तरफ, और ये गेंद लुढ़कते हुए बाउंड्री लाइन की तरफ, शायद से एक और झटका, एक और 4। मर्चेंट होम को एक और झटका। Very good batting, very good. 4 more runs added. अगला गेंद बैट्समैन की तरफ, फुल टॉस गेंद, और ये सीधा गेंद पिच के बाहर। अंपायर का नो का इशारा, दोनों अंपायर का नो का इशारा। अगला गेंद बैट्समैन की ओर, खेलने का प्रयास, फुल टच बॉल, और ये लेग साइड की तरफ, और फील्डर तैनात, 1 रन और अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए। और ये अगला गेंद, खेलने का प्रयास, और ये गेंद सीधे हवा में,
And the captain is also.
और ये मिस।
And the captain of Merchant Home has missed it.
एक और झटका लगने से बच गए।
Hamza cannot believe that just
Lonavala.
happened. Hamza says, what just happened is not unbelievable. But without dropping their confidence, we got Monu all set to take a score out there, a wicket. He looks too confident.
और ये अगला गेंद, लेग साइड में खेलने का प्रयास, फील्डर तैनात, सुंदर प्रदर्शन, 1 और रन अपने खाते में जोड़ते, दूसरा रन लेने का प्रयास, लेकिन
That's Firoz and Raju from the team Lonavala Panchgini trying the best to make a beautiful partnership. And we got my brother Anupam and Sean with me with the co-commenters. who are helping me out. Both the handsome boys, single, all ready to mingle. We got Raju on the batsman with Firoz as his opposite batsman, the runner-up, scoring.
एक ओवर की समाप्ति 9 रन्स अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए लोनावला टीम
We have the Baikala team, BMX, Farooq's team, all set practicing outside the crease. Looks too confident. Farooq is training them. It's target of Farooq to make this team this year win anyhow.
अगला गेंद लेग साइड की तरफ बॉल उछलते हुए बाउंड्री लाइन की तरफ और ये
That's a
catch!
wicket!
पहला झटका
And we have the first wicket down by the LPG Lonavala. And they look too confident. But and the most happiest man of Merchant Home is Saddam right now, giving everybody a big high five. We have Saddam doing the second over, and that's a 1 wicket down for LPG Lonavala. Can we have the scoreboard man, please? Dibs, we have 1 wicket down. That's a new batsman. We have Raju with lost the first wicket. LPG Lonavala, Panchgini. We have a new batsman looking all confidence. Tall, thin, handsome, but yet to make his team win out here.
और ये अगला गेंद बैट्समैन की तरफ
That is Saddam.
सीधा कीपर के हाथ में
And Abdullah has the ball in his hand, who's playing as the wicket keeper for Merchant Home.
अगला गेंद के लिए बैट्समैन तैयार
That's Saddam putting the next ball off his second over, and that's a
और ये
beautiful hit. It looks that's going to be a
सुंदर
catch,
प्रदर्शन
and
और
that
ये
is
सीधा
a catch.
टॉपिक
And that's 2 wickets down. Cut. Wow, what a lovely, beautiful cheering, DJ, yes. What a beautiful cheer out there. Merchant Home looks too confident. Their smiles are back, and it looks like Saddam is going to make that team win.
सूरज सर के ऊपर रहते हुए तौफीक ने बहुत ही सुंदर कैच कोई गुंजाइश नहीं कि ये सुंदर क्रिकेट खेलते बेहतर प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं
Hamza is very happy with his team players. Hamza is thinking right now, I chose the right players for my team. And he is also trying his best to make his team win. That Merchant Home with taking 2 wickets down of Lonavala Panchgini. We have a new batsman in house. And Saddam putting the next ball of his second over. And
अगला
that's a
गेंद
beautiful
सीधा
place,
फिर
and
से
that's in the
हमें में
toss.
उछलते हुए
And looks, it's like a
और
whoa! It's a drop
ये
by
catch.
Merchant Home.
मिस 2 रन अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए और एक और रन मिसफील्ड लेकिन गेंद सीधा कीपर के हाथ में
That was Monu who dropped the catch out there. A beautiful catch and a very easy catch dropped by Monu. Merchant Home, and that's my brother Anupam walking towards me.
अगला गेंद सीधा कीपर के हाथ में
And that's Saddam putting his next ball and all running to set.
खेलने का प्रयास फ्रंट फुट पर जाकर लेकिन
But that's
छोटा सा
Abdullah
appeal.
who's not going to allow any run to go out there, any ball missed by Abdullah. Merchant Home looks too confident.
एक और ओवर की समाप्ति
And we got Salim Bhai all set by Merchant Home. Salim looks too confident. He wants to make his team win.
3 overs
We got Hafiz G telling something for his team.
2 ओवर की समाप्ति 2 विकेट
Hafiz G wants his team to win anyhow. We got Salim Bhai also all score out there waiting to come on the boundary line.
और इसी के साथ 2 विकेट के नुकसान पर 11 रन 2 ओवर की समाप्ति
And we got Hamza taking the third over. We got Dubs in house, my brother Sean and brother Anupam giving a beautiful bright sunny day out here on Monday. With this hour of the day, it looks like Merchant Home is playing really good. We got Hamza who's doing the next bowling of the third over.
अगला गेंद खेलने का प्रयास लेकिन छोटा सा मिसफिल, कीपर के हाथ से मिसफिल, गेंद लुढ़कते हुए बाउंड्री लाइन की तरफ, और ये 2 रन लेने से सफल, 2 रन अपने खाते में और जोड़ते हुए।
And that's total run is 13 run for Merchant Home with the loss of 2 wickets.
और ये अगला गेंद खेलने का प्रयास सीधा कीपर के हाथ में, कोई रन नहीं और छूटने की कोई गुंजाइश नहीं। अगला गेंद, कोई रन नहीं।
And that's Hamza doing the next bowling of his third over.
अगला गेंद खेलने का प्रयास, लेकिन गेंद सीधा कीपर के हाथ में।
LPG Lonavala Panchgini is trying the best to make his team win. And we got a handsome 2 cameramans out there, the standee and one on the chair, trying to shoot as best as they can. We got the LED LCD screen being fixed.
अगला गेंद सीधा हवा में उछलते हुए लेग साइड की तरफ, फील्डर तैनात, एक और रन अपने खाते में जोड़ते हुए 1 रन से सफल, दूसरा रन लेने का प्रयास, लेकिन कोई कॉल नहीं। अगला गेंद सीधा
And that
कीपर के हाथ में,
just missed by the batsman. Hamza looks with a small smile on his face. And that's a beautiful over once again. We got lost of 3 overs down. And we got the next bowler, Shabid, who's doing the next over of the 4th over. We got Shabid, who's doing the 4th over down, or the 3rd over. Third. We got Shabid, who's doing the 3rd over down.
4th ओवर।
4th over.
तीन ओवर की समाप्ति। अगला गेंद खेलने का प्रयास, लेकिन सीधा कीपर के हाथ में, छोटा सा मिसफील्ड होते हुए, और लेकिन